This article is optimized for generating a 10-minute video using in-video AI. The future of electric SUVs, performance, innovation, and sustainability. Electric vehicles, EVs, have already made a massive impact on the automotive industry, and the next big thing in the world of EVs is the electric SUV. These vehicles combine the best aspects of traditional SUVs, such as space, comfort, and versatility, with the benefits of electric powertrains, including zero emissions and advanced technology. As we look ahead to the future of electric SUVs, it's clear that these vehicles are poised to revolutionize the way we think about family transport, adventure driving, and sustainability. In this video, we'll explore the rise of electric SUVs, the innovative features they bring to the table, and what makes them an ideal choice for modern drivers. Electric SUVs are transforming the automotive landscape by combining the spaciousness and comfort of traditional SUVs with the eco-friendly advantages of electric power. What sets them apart from their gasoline counterparts is their use of electric motors and batteries, instead of internal combustion engines, allowing for zero emissions and offering a more sustainable driving experience. Key features of electric SUVs include electric powertrains. Unlike traditional SUVs, which rely on gas engines, electric SUVs are powered by electric motors that provide instant torque and high efficiency.